Hey, look at those weird bumps on the roots of that soybean plant.
Bet you can't guess what's inside. Bacteria.
Bacteria? The stuff that makes you sick? Yuck.
Hey, not all bacteria is bad. In fact, we couldn't live without the bacteria in these little nodules. Neither can animals or plants.
These little things help keep us alive? How?
Turns out they're VIPs in the nitrogen cycle, the endless process where nitrogen moves back and forth between living things like plants and animals and non-living things.
Like air, water, and soil?
You got it. Okay, so all living things need nitrogen to survive, and there's lots of it in the air.
Can't we just breathe in the nitrogen we need?
Nope. Our bodies can't use it as a gas, and neither can plants. That's where our bacteria buddies come in.
Do they do something to the nitrogen?
Yeah. First, nitrogen gas travels from the air to the soil and right into those nodule thingies.
Where the bacteria are waiting?
Yep. The bacteria turn the nitrogen gas into ammonia, like the household cleaner.
Cool. Then plants use the ammonia?
You'd think, huh? But most plants can't. It's pretty toxic. That's where other bacteria come in. The ammonia leaves the nodules, and then bacteria in the soil turn it into nitrites. But plants still can't use the nitrites, so different bacteria turn the nitrites into nitrates. The whole process is called nitrification.
Nitrification. Sounds royal. We dub thee Sir Nitrate.
Nitrates do play a royal role. Plants use them to create the proteins they need to live and grow. And animals do the same thing.
So if plants get nitrates from the soil, how do animals and people get them?
By eating plants. And animals that don't eat plants eat other animals that eat plants.
How carnivorous. What about the rest of the cycle? How do the nitrates turn back into nitrogen gas?
Plants and animals die, and animals excrete waste.
A lovely thought.
Everything decays and breaks down, thanks to special bacteria called decomposers, which release nitrogen back into the cycle. They reverse the whole process.
And the gas ends up back in the air?
Most of it does, and the whole cycle repeats.
I think I've got it. Nitrogen is a gas in the air. Then bacteria in plant nodules and in the soil change it into nitrates. Next, plants and animals use the nitrates to make proteins they need to grow. And last of all, bacteria change the nitrates from waste and dead matter back into nitrogen gas. And the cycle starts all over again.
Perfect. But what's not so perfect is that people are doing things that upset the cycle, like driving too many cars. That builds up nitrogen in the air and can cause smog or acid rain.
Kinda scary since we're breathing that air. Can we help?
Well, we can start by riding our bikes more.
Now that's what I call getting to the root of the problem. I'm with you all the way.